Okay, continuing on. So we've depressed the trigger menu button. This has appeared, and you have the first thing you have to decide is what sort of triggering type that you need. By far the most common is edge. There's others available, of course, but edge is the most common. And then see where it says slope with the little up arrow? That's a rising edge. If you toggle it, it'll go falling edge. Doesn't matter, not for most purposes. When you're doing counters and synchronized waveforms, yes it does, but I would leave it on the rising edge slope triggering, just as I've shown there. And the sweep is set to auto, so it will always show something on the screen, even the ground reference line when there's no input signal. And then of course, this is the big one, is that you have to tell it what channel you want to trigger in. So let's say you're using all 4 channels. One of them has to be the trigger, and you have to set, tell the oscilloscope through this setting which channel is acting as the trigger. So if your signal is on channel 1 only, obviously you need to trigger in channel 1. If you're using channels 1 and 2 or 1, 2, 3 or whatever, more than one channel, one of them has to be the trigger, and you have to define that, or the waveform, it will never stop moving. Cheers.